Good evening, everyone. Can you hear my voice? I'm sorry, how about Pak Satya Budi? Is my voice clear?
The position I running from in apa ya? Jalan Limoraya on street. Limoraya on street. I want go to home.
Okay, now you are on the way, ya. Dalam perjalanan. Okay, now
Yes,
no problem. Take care. Okay, everyone.
Hello, Miss. Your voice is not clear.
I'm sorry, it's not. My voice not clear.
Yes, Miss.
How about now? Mungkin kurang dekat ke mic-nya ya.
Yeah.
Okay, sekarang gimana?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Is it clear?
Okay, thank you very much. Alright, guys. How was your day? Gimana kabarnya nih? Good? And did you eat the dinner? Apakah
I have
sudah
not dinner.
makan malam semuanya? Yes, Pak Nefron? I'm sorry.
I have dinner.
Oh, okay. And how about everyone?
I'm sorry, your voice is small.
Okay, sebentar ya. I will speak. Tapi ini sudah besar. Kalau mungkin karena pengaruh headsetnya ya. Oke, kalau saya deketin gini gimana?
Okay.
Apakah sudah kedengaran jelas?
Yes, clear.
Alright, thank you. Now, let me to share screen. We will start our class, yeah. Alright, guys. Everyone, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
The screen is
see.
already shared, yeah. Okay. Welcome to the speaking class now on the 25, yeah. Oh, 26 or 25, I'm sorry. I think it's 26 meeting, yeah. Okay, guys, now we move to the next slide. Okay, what did you see, guys, on this picture?
Social media.
Yeah, social media, right? Do you have any social media? Of course, yeah, I think everyone has social media. Everyone have social media and use that. Okay, for I wanna ask Pak Nefron, which social media do you have?
I have Facebook,
Yes,
Instagram,
Facebook, Instagram,
Telegram. But Lion social media, I was deleted.
Okay, for the other social media, you was deleted, right? Okay.
Yes.
How about Mbak Desi?
I have social media.
Yes.
There are Messenger, Instagram,
Instagram, and then
Facebook. That's all.
Facebook. Okay. Yes, all of you I think have social media ya. Nah, ini yang kuning ini apa ya namanya ya? Snapchat ya. Nah, di sini juga ada WhatsApp ya. Terus ada TikTok ini ya. Ini Pinterest ya. Ini Telegram, Messenger, WeChat, Facebook, Twitter ya. Okay. Now we move to our vocabularies. Nah, I think all these vocabularies, you know about that, right? you know about this meaning. Okay, for number one, we will review one by one, yeah. Platform. What is platform?
Miss, I'm sorry, your voice hilang-hilang. Lenyap saja.
Okay, I'm sorry. Ini pengaruh headsetnya mungkin
Ya.
ya.
Ya, kayaknya pakai headset yang kayak itu ya, kayak bando ya.
Oh iya, saya sebenarnya ada headset cuman nggak ada baterai headphone ya. Oke,
Oh
saya cabut
yes.
ya. Hello, test. How about now? Is clear, everyone?
Yeah, okay. For me it's clear.
Okay, Mbak Desi, it's clear now?
Yes, clear now, Miss.
Okay, clear ya. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, we will review the vocabularies ya. For the number one, platform. Platform tetap platform ya, atau mungkin panggung gitu ya. It's still platform. Okay, and then profile. Profile is profile ya. Profil
Ya,
itu
profil atau data pribadi ya.
yes, about our data ya. About our own data. Okay, and then post. What is post? Posting ya, seperti posting. Post. Post adalah mengunggah ya. Oke, post mengunggah. Udah posting video apa gitu ya, udah mengunggah video apa. And then like. Like ini pastinya menyukai ya.
Kayak seperti
Ya, menyukai konten-konten like. Menyukai share,
Bagi.
membagi.
bagi, mengirim,
Yes, and comment. How about comment?
Komentar.
komentar.
Berkomentar ya. And friend. Pasti.
Teman.
Yes, follow is
Mengikuti.
Mengikuti
mengikuti.
Notification.
Notification. Apa notification? Notif. Itu adalah
pemberitahuan.
pemberitahuan ya. And hashtag. What is hashtag? Tag. Hashtag itu yang ini ya, tanda pagar ya. Biasanya, tapi
Yes.
kalau tag menandai ya. Kita buatnya menandai saja. Kurang lebih menandai ya. Okay. Now, how to pronounce the vocabularies? The first is platform, is still platform, and profile, not profile but profile. Ya, tapi kita sudah mengindonesiakan ya, karena kita juga bilangnya profil ya. In English we say profile,
Profile.
post, like, share. Ini pasti udah ini ya, sudah sering didengar ya. Comment,
Ya.
friend, follow, notification, and hashtag. Okay, nah
Maybe anything else about subscribe?
ya subscribe itu berlangganan ya. Ya itu kayak udah di ini ya IG ya, like, comment, share, and subscribe ya.
Ya.
Ya itu berlangganan subscribe. Okay, now we move to the next slide ya. As usual, here are 5 answers. You should 5 questions you should answer. Okay, I will review one by one. For number one, which social media platform do you use regularly? Nah, ini artinya sosial media yang mana, platform sosial media apa yang kamu gunakan biasanya gitu ya, sering digunakan, kamu pakai. And then number two, what kind of content do you enjoy sharing on social media? Nah, ini jenis konten apa yang kamu menikmati untuk berbagi di sosial media ya. And for number three, how often do you check your social media account? Seberapa sering kamu mengecek akun sosial mediamu. And then number 4, are there specific people you enjoy following on social media? Nah, apakah ada orang spesifik atau orang tertentu nih yang kamu suka ngikutin ya? Yang suka follow di sosial media. Mungkin ada suka fans sama pecinta ini, mungkin ya pecinta bola, suka follow pemain bola, atau mungkin ada juga aktor atau aktris ya. Ya, pokoknya orang yang boleh mungkin disebutkan orang yang berpengaruh juga ya. Karena kalau kita followan pasti rame ya, pastinya follow orang yang nggak dikenal juga ada aja. Jadi mungkin specific person itu boleh nanti disebutkan orang yang memang ya influencer mungkin ya, atau selebgram gitu. Okay, the last one is, have you ever participated in any social media challenge or giveaway? Nah, apakah kamu pernah berpartisipasi atau pernah ngikut di ini tantangan di sosial media atau giveaway ya? Giveaway misalnya nanti follow akun ini terus komen tag berapa orang gitu ya biasanya ya. Dan nanti dapat sesuatu gitu. Nah, pernah ngikutin nggak? Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to answer the question ya. And then we will practice.
I enjoy sharing on social media the content ini PPR kali ya.
May I diverge?
Yes, Pak Nefron.
Yes, I
Answer.
diverge, yeah. I am the first.
Oh, okay. You're finished?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I will try to explain my answer with this question. Number one, which social media platform do you use regularly? Oh, sosial media yang mana yang apa ya? Oh, gunakan ya setiap apa? Gimana ini? Sosial media yang mana yang selalu kamu gunakan ya? Ya, I am ya. I usually use the some social media. It's about Facebook, on WhatsApp, maybe one else, Twitter ya. Twitter I usually the social media I use. Number two, what kind of content do you enjoy sharing on social media? I always and usually content in my social media. For example, of WA group or WhatsApp group, I usually sharing about information for my office friend or friend in my office about information and instruction. apa ya kalau bercanda-bercanda gitu. Apa ya? Biasa sharing hal-hal yang menyangkut education, the
Ya, mungkin share jokes-jokes gitu ya.
yeah,
Oke.
okay. Nah, ya. Joke and ending ya joke ya. Terus meme joke ya. Meme lucu gitu. Okay, next number 3. How often do you check your social media account? On my social media, I usually check dan sering sekali saya cek yaitu number first. Number one is WhatsApp group. Sometimes in morning there is a notification. Kalau ada notifikasi ya pasti dibuka, misalnya ada number, view the number, yang muncul nomor. Next, Facebook too. I usually open and check. Ya terbanyak itu hanya WA sama FB ya. Instagram juga saya kurang. Gitu. Okay, number 4 are there specific people you enjoy following on social media? Sometimes I like many actor. For example, action film action, football, and ATC. But most of apa ya, banyak yang saya ikuti adalah the star of football ya, pemain-pemain sepak bola gitu. And maybe music too. Sometimes music too I like for to enjoy and following their profile. Yeah. Number last, have you ever participated in any social media challenge or giveaway? About a giveaway, I'm never trust, because most of the banyak penipuan about post sometimes ya, tentang posting sesuatu dapat sesuatu gitu. Jadi so I don't like ya. I don't like, but yes, I never participate in social media. Okay, maybe enough. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Pak Nefron.
You're welcome.
The first one ya hari ini ya. Okay, who next?
Thank you.
Kira-kira siapa selanjutnya? Atau maybe Pak Nefron do you want to choose the next one?
Miss Manise ya.
Okay. How about Mbak Manise?
Social media.
Not yet.
Okay, you don't finish yet.
I'm not finished yet.
Okay, how about the other?
Sorry, Miss.
Mr. Joseph maybe.
Are the specific people you enjoy following on social media?
Finish, not finish.
Okay.
Oh, not finished.
How about
I'm sorry.
Mbak Isniati? Mbak Isniati?
I'm sorry, Miss. I maybe I read I read.
Our job is to sing at church.
Okay, Mbak Isniati.
Okay, I will
Sorry, I
try.
don't know. I can't hear your voice. Your voice is not clearly.
Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, are you finished or not?
No, I just join.
Okay, baru join ya.
But
Okay, no problem.
maybe I will try, Miss.
Okay, do you want to try? Yes.
Is
Good.
to
Which
Of
social
course.
media platform do you use regularly? With social media. Hmm,
yes.
social media platform I use regularly is IG, Miss. Uh, what kind of content do you enjoy sharing on social media? Hmm, education. Content of education. Usually I sharing on social media. How often do you check your social media accounts? Maybe uh, every day, Miss. Every day I check my social media. Yeah. Are there specific people do you enjoy following on social media? Mm, the specific people, maybe there are um, oh yeah. I need to understand about number four, Miss. Have you ever participated in any social media challenge or giveaway? Mm, number four and number five, I don't understand, Miss. Maybe I will learn
Okay.
again.
Yes, for number 4, Mbak Isniati itu spesifik seseorang ya, yang
Hmm?
mungkin di follow, yang suka di follow di sosial media. Atau mungkin akun juga boleh, akun-akun tertentu yang di follow. And then for number 5, pernah ngikut ini, have you ever participated? Jadi pernah berpartisipasi dalam ini tantangan di sosial media atau challenge gitu. Pernah ngikut challenge.
Oh, yes. Number five, I never participate in any social media challenge, Miss. And number four, mm, specific people I enjoy following on social media. Who uh, give me trick and tips how to how to make content for social media, Miss. This Miss. Thank you.
Okay, it's one account ya, an account that tell about the specific how to upload video on the social media.
How how account?
An account maksud saya apakah tadi tips and tricks itu apakah satu akun di sosial media?
Yes, I follow Nusa Putra. He is often give me trick and tips how to how to make content for social media, Miss. Maybe the other person I follow again, Miss.
All right. And how about number 5?
I never participate in any social media challenge, Miss.
Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, same with partner from tadi ya. Never participate ya because ya itu tidak dapat dipercaya kadang ya. We cannot trust. Okay. And Mbak Mandise, Mbak Isniati, I mean, yeah. Maybe you can choose the next one to present.
Miss.
Yes, I'm sorry, I cannot hear clearly.
I must choose someone, Miss.
Yeah.
Oh,
Would you like to choose someone to present
oh
next?
gitu sekarang ya. I just join, Miss, and I don't hear who is apa
Finish ya.
yes.
Oke, nggak apa-apa. Boleh yang mana aja boleh.
Oh, yang mana aja. Maybe I choose Mas Joseph Sidik.
Oke, how about Joseph?
Halo, halo.
Halo,
Beneran ya?
dengar. Iya,
Iya.
oke.
It would very engagement. I don't have
Oke, sorry. Tadi ke mute. Oke, nomor 1, the social media that I often use are Instagram and Twitter. Nomor 2, the content that I post on my social media is about automotive and my excitement. Number 3, I don't open social media very often. Usually, there is a JS social media team that holds my social media account. Number 4, the account I follow on Instagram is Mr. Jokowi, President of Indonesia. Number 5, I never take part in giveaways. I often make challenge with place on my Instagram account one every year. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Joseph. Now you choose the next one to present, Joseph.
Pilih ya. Bapak Budi, apakah sudah?
Thank you very much. I want to try number question. Social media. Which social media platform do you use regularly? And platform social media, YouTube and Snack Video. What kind of content do you enjoy sharing on social media? My content enjoy sharing singing dangdut and materi physiotherapy because I am teach from mahasiswa physiotherapy and mahasiswa medicine Hospital Cipto Mangunkusumo. My materi give to YouTube. How often do you check your social media account? Every day I checking social media because I'm evaluation and give away mahasiswa and evaluation serta laporan itu apa ya?
Report.
Yes.
Report.
Report. Progress report mahasiswa. Are there specific people and enjoy following on social media? The specific people, the specific following social media, mahasiswa, the best friend, bestie, and karyawan and
Employee.
Employee.
karyawan fluid employee
Yes.
friend in RSC. Have you ever participate in any social media challenge or your gift ya? Social media YouTube and snack video. Perdagangan itu apa sih? Kemarin. Great. Social media, great. Marketing, orthopedic condition, lumbar corset, collar corset, and perlengkapan apa, Miss?
Equipment.
Condition rheumatology and condition practicum mahasiswa. Thank you very much, Miss.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Pak Setya Budi. And also tadi ada Pak Neven yang udah help ya. Okay. Now the last one, right? Oh enggak. Mbak Manise dan Mbak Desi ya tinggal ya. Okay. Maybe Pak Setya Budi want to choose.
Aduh, siapa ya yang belum ya?
Desi.
Isniati, Mbak Isniati.
Mbak Isniati sudah. Tinggal Mbak Desi dan Mbak
Isniati
Manise.
sudah.
Ya, tadi
Manise
Mbak Desi ya.
Yang belum siapa ya?
Mbak Desi and Mbak Manise.
Mbak Manise.
Manise. Okay. Okay, thank you. Aduh, ini nggak kelihatan. I will try to tell about my social media. I use social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and snack video. The content I enjoy sharing on social media about picture when our job is to sing at the church and also during office events, and also about cooking, for example, cooking pudding or cake. And then I check my social media every day while I have a free time. Specific people I enjoy following on social media is Mr. King Kevin. And number 5, yes, I have ever participate, but just for now, what's true or not about giveaway. I think enough, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mbak Manise. Alright,
You're welcome.
for the last, Mbak Desi ya. Mbak Desi,
Here is
time is yours.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Number 1, which social media platform do you use regularly? I always use WhatsApp and Instagram. And number 2, I enjoy sharing on social media our motivation and share useful information for the public. And number 3, I always check my social media account to view information about my work. And number 4, are there specific people you enjoy following on social media? No, there are not specific people I enjoy it. And number 5, have you ever participated in any social media challenges or giveaway? I have never participated. I have never participated in any social media challenges. That's all, Miss. Hello.
All right, Mbak Desi, good. Thank you very much for sharing about social media ya. Okay, you're the last one. So, okay, I think finish ya all of you guys ya present about social media. Now we will move to the next session is correction ya. Okay. Wait for a minute ya. Alright guys, now we move to the correction session. Oke, nah tadi pertanyaan yang pertama, which social media platform do you use regularly? Jadi which itu yang mana ya? Nah, di saat kita memakai sosial medianya lebih dari satu, nah, lebih dari satu itu kita boleh bilang such as atau are ya, seperti biasa ya. Misalnya, I usually use the same, not the same. Tadi seperti Pak Nevron ya, use some social media. Use social media. Nah, kita bisa bilang di sini such as atau that are, yes. Nah, jadi di sini kalau misalnya kasusnya banyak ya. Nah, that are misalnya tadi ada WhatsApp, terus ada Telegram, ada misalnya Instagram ya. Instagram. Okay. And then the and etc. ya. Kalau misalnya ada lagi etc. etc. Nah, etc ini tulisannya gini deh. Kita bacanya etc. ya, walaupun tulisannya disingkat etc. ya. Dan lain-lainnya. Oke, and then kalau misalnya kita tadi the next number ya, what kind of content do you enjoy sharing on social media? Nah, kalau untuk konten kita langsung sebutin saya suka sharing konten tentang information tentang football ya. I like share the information about football gitu. And then about jokes ya, kita boleh bilang seperti itu. Atau boleh bilang I usually like to share about football information boleh. Information about jokes gitu ya. And then what else? About cooking recipe boleh.
Meme.
Yes, meme juga boleh. Dan lain-lain gitu ya. Oke. Nah, tadi maksudnya my social media I usually check. Nah, itu benar, tapi strukturnya boleh dirubah. I usually check my social media. Nah, kalau misalnya kita mau bilang tingkatannya, ada often misalnya. Nah, often ini jarang. Kita mau bilang yang mana? Jarang, usually, biasanya ya. Nah, tapi kalau untuk tingkatan itu, we don't use usually. Kalau memang sering atau biasanya kita use-nya often ya. No, often sering. Tadi jarang masuk saya tadi. Sering, kalau misalnya jarang kita bilang aja seldom. Okay, I often check my Instagram account. Okay, I seldom to check my social media account gitu. I often open my I often open my Instagram account. Jadi hanya sering Instagram account saja, yang lain jarang gitu. We can say like that. Okay, and then nah, kalau misalnya kita tidak pernah berpartisipasi dalam mengikuti giveaway tadi ya, I never atau we use I never participated atau I have never. Saya singkat aja. Nah, yang mana satu nih? Oke, sebentar ya. Nah, what is the difference of this word ya? I never participated and I have never participated. Kalau ini adalah perfect. Perfect maksudnya ada have ya. Jadi kalau perfect itu present perfect, subject, have, and then verb past participle. Past participle itu adalah verb 3, participated. Nah, kalau misalnya perfect itu dipakai untuk yang dulu itu juga terjadi dan sampai sekarang masih terjadi. Nah, di sini berarti dulu nggak pernah mengikuti dan sampai sekarang juga tidak pernah mengikuti. Berarti never participated. Oke, we can use I have never participated ya. Karena kita menyatakan dulu dan sekarang. Jadi belum pernah mengikuti. Gitu ya. Memang belum pernah partisipasi dalam giveaway tersebut. Nah, sama juga untuk follow akun tadi kasusnya. Nah, karena kita sudah follow dari dulu dan masih follow sampai sekarang, kita bilangnya I have followed ya. Nah, misalnya I have followed some account on my Instagram that are misalnya siapa kita follow. That are Jokowi tadi ya boleh ya, Jokowi, and then siapa misalnya YouTuber gitu. Biasanya kita follow atau bisnis, tentang bisnis gitu ya. Atau juga boleh tentang cooking. Oke, atau bilang ini aja food and beverage, about food and beverage. Buat food and beverage account ya. Nah, ini FMB ini adalah tentang makanan dan minuman. Jadi memang ada sosial media khusus, akun khusus tentang makanan dan minuman gitu ya. Nah, kalau misalnya account, kita nggak bilang akun ya. Tapi in English, we say account. Ya, jadi tulisannya gini. Account. Akun itu sebenarnya bahasa Indonesia yang diadaptasikan dari kata serapan ya dia. Dan diserap dari bahasa Inggris. Dari account. Nah, dibawa ke bahasa Indonesia jadinya akun gitu. Okay, and then I also make. Jadi I have never participated atau I have never participated in the giveaway on Instagram or any social media account, but I also make apa tadi ya? Joseph, you make what? With your follower and as every year ya tadi ya I'm here about you make something tadi. Itu make apa ya, Joseph?
Yes.
Yes, you make what thing you make to your followers? To your follower every year a year.
Maksudnya?
Yes, tadi Joseph bilang kalau Joseph kan tidak pernah mengikuti atau berpartisipasi pada giveaway ya, tapi
Iya.
membuat gitu ya.
Iya.
Ya, tapi berarti Joseph yang membuat giveaway tersebut.
Iya.
Oke, berarti
Benar-benar.
kita boleh bilang I have not apa ya tadi ya? I also make ya, tapi kita bilang berlawanannya. I have never participate, but I make it. Boleh bilang. Langsung saya sambung saja, but I make it. Nah, it itu apa? It itu adalah merujuk ke si giveaway ya. Atau kita langsung bilang giveaway-nya juga boleh. I make it. I make giveaway to my follower ya. Untuk follower pastinya. Atau untuk mana? I make giveaway. Atau I create ya bagusnya ya. Create itu membuat juga. Beda make dengan create. Mungkin kalau make itu kata teknis yang memang dipakai untuk membuat seperti ke makanan ya. Membuat makanan atau membuat minuman. Nah, kalau misalnya create itu dia seperti ya menciptakan juga dan membuat juga gitu. Jadi but I create giveaway for not to tadi ya, for my follower on Instagram boleh. Oke. Oh, berarti siapa ya? Joseph ya, berarti membuat giveaway ya. Okay, and then my social materi I share, I give to YT. Itu maksudnya gimana? YouTube. Maksudnya materinya di-share ke YouTube ya. You can say like this. Pak Setia Budi, I share my material to YouTube account. Nah, kita bisa bilang seperti ini ya.
Oh iya. Yes,
share
I
my
share my
material
material to YouTube account.
Nah, share-nya untuk siapa? Untuk your mahasiswa ya. Mahasiswa we say
mahasiswa.
student ya.
Yes.
Student juga ya. Ya, student
Yes.
and colleague. Jadi sama juga siswa dengan mahasiswa, bahasa Inggris tetap student ya. Oke, tadi juga ada ini ya, laporan mahasiswa ya. Nah, kalau laporan mahasiswa berarti tadi progress
report.
Yes, of student report. Ya. Jadi progress dari laporan mahasiswa ya, of student report. Oke. Seperti ini ya. Oke, next. Oke, tadi juga I following my best friend, bestie. Tadi juga ada karyawan ya. Jadi rame yang di follow ya.
Yes, Miss.
Karena sudah di follow dari dulu hingga sekarang berarti kita bilangnya I have ya. I have follow and past participle ya. Ini adalah tiga follow my friend, atau ini teman-teman dekat atau sahabat ya. Berarti kita bilang best friend. Best friend. And then tadi karyawan ya.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, kita bisa bilang employee. Employee. Oke, karena itu karyawan spesifik ya mungkin ya karyawan yang mana gitu. Kita bisa bilang secara spesifik my employee at the office. Di kantornya ya. Ini best friend kok seperti ini ya, best friend. Oke. And the other ya. Oke, and then the last one ya. The content. Tadi pertanyaannya ini. Nah, the content yang sering kamu enjoy untuk sharing ya, social media. What kind of content do you enjoy sharing on social media? Berarti cara jawabnya, berarti the content I enjoy to sharing on social media is, dia boleh bilang seperti ini ya. Biasanya kalau bahasa Inggris itu apa yang ditanya, kita cukup menjawab memang jawabannya singkat, tapi kita perlu mengulang dari pertanyaan. Ya. Lebih bagus. Misalnya tanya, what is your name? Misalnya, what's your name? Kita langsung jawab, Nanda. Lebih bagusnya kita jawab, my name is Nanda. Kita ulang lagi pertanyaannya ya. Nah, seperti ini. Which social media platform do you use regularly? Kita ulang lagi. The social platform I use regularly is atau are. Nah, apa sebutin? Instagram, TikTok. Oke, sebenarnya simple sekali ya kalau untuk menjawab soal dalam bahasa Inggris, apalagi pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang memang bisa kita jawab secara spontan about ourselves. Kita tinggal ngulang aja pertanyaannya sekilas, and then kita tambah tentang kita gitu ya. Oke, English is easy, guys. The content I enjoy, ini kita tinggal ubah ya. Karena the content I enjoy sharing on social media boleh, atau to share on social media juga boleh. Lalu kita bilang is atau are. Oke. Nah, mungkin ini beberapa correction tadi ya. Nah, mungkin correctionnya maksudnya enggak ada di sini, ya itu seperti sudah benar apa yang dikatakan ya. Jadi ini ada beberapa perbaikan, tadi memang sudah banyak yang benar. Mungkin ini cuma perbaikan cara peletakan, bagaimana peletakan kalimatnya yang benar gitu ya. Word placement. Oke. Yes, I think that's all about our correction ya for today class. Okay, before we move to the reflection, is there any question, guys?
No. Yes.
No? Okay. Yes, Mbak Manise always with the background of song ya. Sambil ini ya, berarti relax ya. Okay, guys, we move to reflection session. What do you say about tonight meeting? Are you happy?
Yes,
I'm
happy.
happy.
Yes, I'm
Okay,
happy.
thank you very much. And then, what did you learn, guys, for tonight?
About social media.
Yes, about social media. And then, yeah, about word placement.
And
Okay.
correction.
Correction, yes. And etc. ya. Kita not say etc, but etc. ya. Okay, guys,
Yes.
thank you very much for tonight class. Thank you for the participation and also your attention. I will see you next meeting. Bye-bye. You may leave.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Miss.
Bye-bye. See you
Okay.
again.
Thank you, everyone.
Welcome.
Good night.